A few years ago, Anthropic was just the OpenAI spin-off. Today, secondary markets are valuing it at nearly $1.2 trillion after a 20% jump in 7 days. And now, Silicon Valley is openly discussing a possibility that sounded absurd just a year ago. Anthropic could eventually surpass Google in revenue. Anthropic's revenue growth is why investors are panicking into the stock. December 2024, $1 billion ARR. December 2025, $9 billion. April 2026, reportedly, $30 billion ARR. That I see, you can understand, is a 30% jump in roughly 15 months. So the reports now actually suggest Anthropic could cross $45 billion annualized revenue shortly. Anthropic is winning because, well, we know enterprises are embedding Claude into workflows and coding, agents, healthcare, research, and automation. Now, of course, even finance. Once Claude enters the stack, the rest of Anthropic's ecosystem follows naturally. The company reportedly now has 1,000 plus customers spending over $1 million annually, which creates stickiness. OpenAI is still chasing in many enterprise deployments. For most of 2025, Anthropic's biggest problem was compute supply. Now suddenly, it has Google TPU deals, Broadcom partnerships, AWS capacity, SpaceX AI's Colossus cluster, 220,000 plus NVIDIA GPUs through the latest partnership. And of course, we covered this just yesterday on Front Page. The same Elon Musk who mocked Claude publicly by calling them woke is now effectively supplying compute infrastructure to Anthropic through SpaceX AI. Which do you think changes the competitive landscape immediately? Well, if you do, please do let us know. But anyway, along with the story, I feel this is the strangest part. Alphabet is actually simultaneously Anthropic's infrastructure provider, strategic investor, cloud partner, and long-term competitor. So every time Anthropic scales, Google Cloud benefits too. Google's cloud backlog is exploding partly because companies like Anthropic are consuming compute at unprecedented scale. The thesis behind Anthropic's valuation is, well, quite simplistic. This is a cognitive labor company. AWS sold compute, Salesforce sold software, Anthropic is just trying to sell reasoning itself. Maybe that's why investors are valuing it against labor markets, not SaaS multiples. And maybe that's why some forecasts now predict Anthropic could surpass Alphabet's revenue by 2028. Aggressive? Absolutely. Impossible? Not anymore. And here, of course, is the front page take. Anthropic was supposed to be the, well, quieter OpenAI competitor. Instead, it has become the company that forces big tech to rebuild around AI infrastructure entirely. And right now, the market is rewarding one thing above everything else. Whoever controls compute, agents, and enterprise workflows controls the next era of technology. Please do let us know what are your thoughts in the comments below. This, ladies and gentlemen, is Front Page by the AIM Network. Like, share, subscribe, and always remember, think AI, think AIM.